welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and let's keep the family growing. Hey, let's keep the family growing. Okay, so in this video, this is a vlog. Well, welcome to my vlog. I don't know if you can tell, but something is different from earlier. What's different? Well, as you can see, little girl got her eyebrows done. That's a little bit of self-care that is not too expensive, and that's one thing that I always actually tend to spend money on, and that's getting my eyebrows done. I don't get my nails done. I don't really do much of anything else, but I always want my eyebrow game to be on point, so I get it cleaned up a little bit. Super excited because I found a great deal for a toy that my son really loves. I'm very excited. Oh gosh, why do I still have this on? And it was brand new on Marketplace for $5. So I just picked it up. I'm going to go home and put it together for him and surprise him. I feel like he's going to be so excited about this. Oh, I just missed my turn talking to y'all. So bye. Ooh. Liam,
Yeah.
come here, please.
Okay. Wow. Yeah. It looks
So, you guys probably don't know, but my son, Baby Fox, started soccer, and it is literally the cutest thing to watch the little kids run around their tiny feet and kick the ball, and they play little games. It is the most adorable thing, so I thought I would take you guys along with me so you guys can witness perfection. I'm just kidding. But it's really cute though, I promise. All right, see you there. this is where the old dining space was, and that's like right off my kitchen. But ever since I moved everything away, I like this so much more. So I'm going to keep it that way, and I'm moving the dining room to here. So this is the nook. I don't know if you guys remember when I had you guys choose a wallpaper for this area, because that was the old playroom. But now majority of my son's toys are upstairs, and some are going in the cabinet in the living room and also outside in his playhouse. So this is going to be the new dining area. It's messy right now. I've been planning to cover this up with wallpaper. I just was not quite ready to paint over it yet, but I filled in all the gaps on this wall. I was saying, quick hack for you guys. When you're painting, if you want to go back and use the same roller and the same paintbrush, just wrap them in plastic. Wow. These are workers' hands. I'm always hashy. But anyways, just wrap them in plastic and it'll stay wet. It won't dry up and you can reuse it. This wall, it's like this beigeish, ugly color. It's a really tall wall. From the perspective of the chair, let's see, it's a really tall wall. So I have to get my ladder in here. It's probably going to take me a long while to paint all this, and I'm going to get a much smaller table. I sold my other table, by the way. I'm going to get a much smaller, if I can find one on Marketplace that I like. But yeah, so this is going to be the new dining area. It's going to be tucked into the wall because I don't really need a giant dining space. And I'm going to clean this up. I'm trying to sell these safety gates because I don't use them anymore. And yeah, just have to do some cleanup and some tidy up, and then zoom. So this right here, this is why I'm fat. So good. I couldn't get the whole cooking process. 10 plus 9 is 19. Good job. I see ramen. Boy, is it spicy. So I'm gonna dig in, finish this up, and then I'll see you guys in a bit. I decided I'm going to actually paint over this. Probably, most likely, I'm going to paint over this white instead of wallpapering. So we'll have a fresh start and all this will be white. Bye, beautiful wall. Worked so hard on you. But my son doesn't play here anymore. So I'm really going to do it. I have my paint right here. Oh snap. And I'm going to go over my wall. Oh. Oh no! Oh! This feels so heartbreaking. It's time to go, beautiful wall. It's going to probably take like 20 coats to actually get rid of the colors, but alright, well, let's keep going. I will be honest and tell you that this is like a few days later, and honestly, I don't know what I'm doing in my life. I still have to do another coat down here, as you can tell, and probably have to do 2 or 3 more coats here. La, 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 la. We have a giant mirror up there. I really wish when they were doing this addition that the person actually put the stairs this way instead, so that it wouldn't interrupt this area and would just be tucked away. But no, they did it right dead in the middle, so it gives me a lot of unusable space under here. So yeah, that's what we have to work with. So this is what we're going to work with. But this super duper tall wall is nearly impossible. I'm honestly, once I finish, like I'm gonna paint, I'm going to borrow a ladder from my neighbor, which is a lot taller. And I'm going to finish painting up here. And then once I finish painting up here and triple coating here, I'm probably not going to paint up here. The reason being, if I start painting this wall, how am I going to get this peak is even taller than that peak? You see how it inclines down? So how would I even go up the stairs and get up here? I don't have a death wish. So it just means that this is where my sunroom is, my son's room. So it just means that this area is going to have to stay like that. This wall, this side will be white all the way down. And yeah, that is all. The only reason I did you in the first place, cause you did not see me. Now I'm pissed off. Sit back, homie, relax, and back, go bust facts, back, wanna kick facts. Yeah, just shoot shot. Professor to get back, don't accept the whip back. I got the same exact tat that's on next back. I'm obsessed now. Oh, geez, that's supposed to mean the video go. T. My heart is expected to go balls out.